special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact northwestern Huron, Ottawa, Seneca, Erie, northern Wyandot, Sandusky, and northwestern Crawford counties through 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 14 miles northwest of Put-in-Bay to near Gibsonburg to Arlington. Movement was east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Tiffin, Fremont, Upper Sandusky, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in-Bay, Bellevue, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Green Springs, Bloomville, Sycamore, Castalia, New Regal, Ballville, Cary, Catawba Island, Marblehead, and Attica. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.